Can married women become a cabin crew? The answer is absolutely yes. A lot of people think marriage or kids might stop you from flying, but that's not true at all. बहुत सारी married women और even moms cabin crew बनते हैं because aviation industry में आपकी skills matter करती है, आपका marital status नहीं, married होना, kids होना, it's not a problem. It's all about your family, your career, your dreams, and women can fly at any stage of life. तो अगर आप married हैं, mom है, don't worry. Let's break all the barriers together. Follow for more info.